In today's video tutorial, I will show you how to get UID from OKX Exchange. In this step 1, you need to launch your OKX mobile application. Then you just have to provide your login credentials and make sure that you log in into your OKX account. Now you need to make sure as well that you are in the exchange tab, because sometimes you can be in the wallets tab. So make sure that you tap on exchange so that you could access your OKX exchange. Now tap on your profile icon in the top left hand corner of the screen, and over here you need to tap on your email address or the profile and settings page. In your profiles you will be able to see your UID number. So in order to copy it, you just have to tap on the copy button right next to it, and it will say that copied successfully. This way you can get your OKX UID number, and now you can use this number in order to claim any of the airdrops or in order to send or receive your cryptos into your OKX exchange. Thanks for watching.